we have Algo. If you go to Algo, there are two Algos right now. We have 109 and 68. The 109 is an option buying Algo. We have ATM, ITM1, ITM2. So it works only for ITM or ATM. It doesn't work for OTM. Only for ITM, it works well. Now, if you're taking ITM4, let's say that always you're buying ITM4. In the money 4 is what you're trying to buy. The Algo for a 30,000 capital for the last 13 months of data, it has managed to make 3,14,000. That means over 1,000% returns in 13 months period. Gross, this is, which is significant, which is great. Now, the overall, it has taken 758 trades. Per trade, it is only making 400 rupees. Max drawdown is 33%. Only 309 are profitable. 448 are loss-making trades. So the loss-making trades are more than the profitable trades. But anyways, so this is the stats. But if you look at net, this was gross, isn't it? 3,14,000 was gross. If you look at net, now when we say net, it depends on how many lots, because per order we'll have to pay brokerage anyways 40 rupees, one side 20, one side 20, and then taxes are applied. So if you take 10 lots, for 10 lots the capital required is 3 lakhs. The returns in the 13 months has been 29 lakhs 97,000, which is 990, almost close to 1,000% for 13 months, which is brilliant, significantly good, isn't it? And also the equity curve is very good. It is not going down zigzags, it is not going down and up and all that. So consistently it is trying to grow and consistently it is going up. The only big problem that everybody thinks about is that max drawdown. The drawdown of 13% from peak. That means from peak it fell 33,000, 33%. But in reality it fell by 2.5 lakhs to 2.8 lakhs, let's say. Worst case scenario, let's assume 3 lakhs. Now, a 3 lakhs drawdown means your entire capital is vanished. You started trading here and then suddenly you hit the drawdown. That means all 3 lakhs is gone, which means that when this algo starts, we should ideally start with 6 lakhs. If you want to do 10 lots, we should ideally have 6 lakhs of capital, safe side. Once the moment it becomes 6 lakhs, you don't need the additional 3 lakhs. You can take it out. That 3 lakhs, you can use it for your other purposes. But to begin with, we will have to assume that we will get drawdown immediately. So we should prepare and we should say, okay, because we are going to hit the drawdown, we should keep another 3 lakh with us. If you're trading with 10 lots, for 5 lots, if somebody is trading, we have to keep assume 1.5 lakhs. The moment it becomes 3 lakhs, we could say, okay, fair enough. Now I don't need the additional 1.5 lakhs. I can take it out. 1.5 lakhs, the returns is actually brilliant. I mean, getting this kind of return is unbelievable. Forget 987% for 1.5 lakhs capital in 13 months. If we can get another 1.5 or 3 lakhs, anything 1.5 to 3 lakhs if we make, that means if this 1.5 lakh capital, if it becomes 3 lakhs to 4.5 lakhs also, it is brilliant strategy. 200% returns also is big deal. Whereas the strategy, if some people trade consistently, it is able to get somewhere close to 1,000% at ITM4. At ITM2 also, it is 843%. The strategy is excellent. Now, month-wise P&L also, it is looking very good. Every month there is profit. In the February month, we have losses. But February month is not over. December only had 2 days, only 7 trades. We can ignore it. Starting from January, if you look at it also, it is very good actually. And then this is entry analyzer, just to tell us as to when this strategy is taking entries. For example, if I look at 30th, it is very bad day. Sideways, it has lost almost 9,000 rupees. But on 29th, it took just 2 trades. One long trade, which made about 6,500. Another long trade lost about 500 rupees. 6,500 rupees it made in just one trade. And then another long trade, which became a loss of 1,900. Another short trade gave us 2,000 rupees profit. Another long trade gave us another 131 rupees kind of profit. So it is able to essentially find out, how the profit. For example, this short, 2,000 rupees, another short, another 5,000 rupees. This short made more money because it quickly went down, right? Made about 5,000 rupees of profit. Like that, it is able to make every day. It is taking trades and it is trying to see if it makes profit or not. Based on this strategy itself, last few days, we are sending alerts in Telegram. Telegram alerts are based on this strategy only. And those alerts are essentially telling us whether to go long or go short. If they long, that means call buy, short means put buy essentially. The follower, whoever is the user, they have to decide they are comfortable doing ITM4, ITM3, ITM2, ITM1. They have to decide. Based on that, they can actually take trades. From that point of view, I think this is excellent strategy. From the total results point of view and also how the equity curve is growing, overall it looks very, very good. Now, we can't automate it fully. So I will show you other aspects also. Month-wise you have seen, entry analyzer you have seen. Then there is entry price cap, which means the strategy we are saying at ITM4, if the price is more than 315, don't trade. Ignore it because the premium is more. Buyer does not get much of an advantage. So we are saying 315 is ideally use your last price at ITM4. If because suddenly there is a gap up or gap down and the price is 400, 500, don't trade. And because of that, there is a huge advantage in terms of your drawdown is coming down and also profit is increasing slightly. So this is the max price at each ATM strikes, ATM or ITM strikes. What is the max entry price we recommend? And then there is stop loss. essentially to say this strategy does not have a stop loss. But while calculating it, we said everyone needs a worst case stop loss in case, for example, the server went down, strategy went down, something like that happens. We should be able to have at least one worst case stop loss, and that is 50 points. So if you are buying at 300 rupees, 250 is your stop loss. Most likely the strategy will exit before that only, but it is possible that sometimes it may hit that stop loss also. Mostly it is 50 only, and then it is 40 near the ATM. That's all. Simple. It is 50 or 40. So again, the strategy is extremely good in terms of the way it is performing, because every time there is a drawdown, it is able to pull back. And we have released alerts so that people can see how the algo is performing. 68 is a seller strategy, which is even good. So for 10 lots, 22.5 lakhs we are assuming will be your margin required, and the return is 27 lakhs. 19,000 is excellent for a seller. Drawdown is only 9 or 10%. But here this is not margin. This means naked sell. That means you are not buying, you're only selling. That's it, naked sell. If we take spread, the margin required will drop to 8.5 lakhs, because if you are using spread, no, 85,000 is all that you need. With 85,000, the drawdown increases significantly. For 8.5 lakhs, the drawdown is now 24%. But the return is actually pretty good, because now you have got 233% net returns, because your capital is coming down, right? That's why it is doing better. But if you look at overall returns, 19 lakhs 87,000. If you go for naked, it is 27 lakhs. That means almost 7 to 8 lakhs we are hedging using a buy position. And the buy position is either 10 rupees or less, or the 10th out of the money. It essentially is saying 10 rupees, which is this. If you're able to get 10 rupees quickly, this is the one it takes. Otherwise, it says out of the money 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th. Worst case, it takes the 10th. Whichever is below 10 rupees, that one it will take. That is the hedge. Now, unfortunately, we can't connect to a broker. So we are giving alerts. If somebody is interested, based on alerts, if they are looking at it, because alerts also help a lot of people. If they want to take trades based on the alerts, they can do it, because they know the performance, they know how the platform works. And but they can execute in their own account. Like they can do Zerodha, they can do Grow, they can do Upstocks, they can do Angel One, they can do anything.